Welcome to AUTOID. My name's Jack and I'm the Managing Director here. We're based in Brentwood and I just want to give you guys a brief overview of what we do and who we are today. So come on in. So the business started when I was a kid really. I think I was always destined to end up being in business and in the car industry, but it was back in October 2015 when BMW announced the new M2 at the time. It was announced with much excitement and obviously a lot of people were really excited about the car coming out, but as you went onto the forums there was quite a few people that were probably disappointed or just a little bit shocked that BMW had left the M-style mirrors out of the car, and that was where the idea started for AUTOID. It started as a personal project and it always really intended to be that way. That was October 2015, so by November 2015 we actually had to incorporate the business because no manufacturers were taking my idea seriously without us being a business as a personal individual. So that was why AUTOID was actually started, because we had to obviously get this idea off the ground. Originally we wanted to create a bracket for the M2 that would fit the OEM M4 mirrors, but Joe Blogs and all your normal sort of car guys, it was going to be far too expensive and far too complicated. So we ended up going for the easiest option at that time, and which was the M-style mirror covers. I've got one here that you can have a look at. So I presume you guys have probably already seen these before, but essentially they're just the cover that goes over the existing base. And obviously you can see it through here as well, so it just clips straight in. So M-style mirrors were where we started, but due to the success of those we moved into spoilers, diffusers, front lips, grills, the list goes on. What our customers love is that if it's in stock on the website, it's going to be dispatched the next working day.
Hi, so my name's Sam and I'm the operations manager here at AUTOID. We sell an array of parts in BMW, Audi and Mercedes. Whether it's spoilers, splitters or diffusers, we sell them in gloss black and carbon fibre, which can all be found on our website. We work with other companies like AWC and paddle shifters. All of our products are covered up to a 2-year warranty, which includes any manufacturing defects outside usual wear and tear. You can get in contact with us through Instagram, our live chat on our website, or through email or by the phone. So this is just a short video of what AUTOID are about.
Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next video.